Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wabihi nasta'in wa ala umuri dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin. Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain amma ba'du. Uh, First of all, I thank our God Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for giving us mercies until busy until we get in this meeting. Uh, Secondly, I respect to the leader of Islamic boarding school, Jainul Hasan Genggong, K. Haji Muhammad Hasan Mutawakil Allah SIMM, and respect the counselor of the Rector Universitas Islam Jainul Hasan Genggong, Mr. Dr. Abdul Aziz Wahab BIMAG, and I respect the cloistery Miss Ustadah Raudatul Islam. Okay, in this time, I will explain the text-based learning method. Text-based learning is method of that focus on the on of text as the core of the learning process. Student learn through meaningful activities or process orientation, not just relax. And what is characteristics of text-based learning? Number one is text context. Number two, as real life context. Number four, focus on combination of interaction. Active student, tracks of facilitas. The last, integration first skill. Artinya di situ aktif dalam speaking dan learning. Basic learning is a learned method of the focus on the as real text as the core of the learning process. Student real through meaningful activities and mass language real in the context and mass process orange, not just. And number two, characteristics of text-based learning. And number one, text context. Number two, seeing real life context. Number three, focus on communication and interaction. Number four, active student teacher as facilitas. Five, explicit process over theory. And the last, integrities for your skill. Student must really active on the speaking and listening and writing. Okay. Benefit of text-based learning: improve critical thinking skill and make learning more interaction and not boring. And number two, training collaboration and help student understand the material in a really way. Increase student self confidence level of to every day to the life. Difficulties of text-based learning. Number one, it takes longer. Not all students actively, and the assessment can be more complex. Teacher must be creative in designing assessment, and teacher really defeats to control the class and limited facilities or media. There is many place of explication place of the text-based learning. Number one is text student are asking to make a schedule of their daily activities of the process. Number one, teacher make a group discussion, and number two, read down daily activities, and number three, presentation in the front of the class. And the next under explains is mix one the poster about protection the environment, and number one is the process. The process is observation of the surrounding and environment, and make one group discussion and design this poster. And the last is relax. Many student not just understand in the important but of protection in the environment. In conclusion, this is study about text-based learning is an efficient and interactive learning method. It's not just emphasis student hands-on expression, but subject for present subject. Request drug preparation from the teacher. And the last for me, this is the conclusion about TBL, about text-based learning. It's not just effective learning for that embraces the as of meaningful text so that student learn through real experience. This method encourages activities, cooperation, and communication so that learning become more interesting and relevant. Many material I installed in this time before I close. Thank you very much for your attention to watch me. I apologize if you find any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.